Stay with me, buddy! Stay with me! Hey, stay with me.
Did it at least look cool when I flipped?
Yeah, man, it was flipping cool.
Oh, yes, I'm going back. Yes, more.
No, any more and you might start flipping out.
Oh, it feels so good.
Are you mad? Why would you do that?
I'm back.
Hi, my teammate.
I knew I should have played solos.
One time, I got 12th place in that building over there. We should go that way. I think we can win if we go that way.
Whoa. The only thing between me and winning is you. So you need to back off.
But I have the best gun.
Really? You, my friend, just became much more valuable. Come on! We don't have time for this! Let's hide in here!
I'm almost there. I'm coming.
I got this! Oh my God! Shit! Where'd he go? What? Shit. Well, that wasn't game accurate.
Oh! Revive me!
Why? Why should I revive you when I can just wait for you to die and take your gun?
No. I'll do anything.
Anything, huh? Okay. So this is the best gun you can get, huh?
5 more minutes.
What?
Nothing.
Take cover! Wait, shh, 227. Your other 227. Okay, we'll move in 3, 2. This is just a butterfly. Why'd you shoot?
You shot first.
No, I didn't.
We got the jump on them now.
Great, now they know we're here. Oh, they see us. We need to move. Let's go.
What idiots!
Interesting.
Hey guys, let's play rules of survival.
Oh, hey, there's a sniper. Wait. Watch out. Oh my God, watch out.
Don't save me.
Well, I mean, I wasn't really planning on it.
It's bedtime.
What?
Mom, I'm getting you.
You don't have to kill you to win this, right? I can't kill you. I think I I thought we had a future together. We could have conquered the Tilted Towers. We could have livened up the Lonely Lodge. Why?
Hey, babe. Is this a kid bothering you?
You two-timing piece of shit! Oh,
get you up. You just yell at me and insult me. You know what? Next time, I'm just letting you die.
You psychopath! No! We will conquer their world! Together!